Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on a POCO X5 Pro. So to do this we'll need to open our settings, locate the security tab, not security status, but passwords and security right here. Now look for the fingerprint, it's right here and that confirms it. This device does have it and we're just gonna locate it. So you need to set the password. And then we can find the fingerprint sensor on the right side right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.